What's up, people? Welcome back on my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clifford Mulauzi. I'm a Forex trader documenting my journey here on YouTube. So consider subscribing on my YouTube channel because here I drop value based on my experience since I've been trading since 2019. Recently, I have been dropping prop firm videos back and forth, and I know that there are still some people who are still interested in managing their own capital and are looking for a reliable broker to get started with their trading. Or maybe you're a complete beginner trying to place your first trade. Or maybe you are an experienced trader looking for another platform to diversify your trading. Well, this video is for you. Today, I am going to be reviewing NordFX, a broker that has been in the industry for a very long time and has built a presence across many countries around the world. So we are going to look at the account opening process, trading platforms, deposits and withdrawals, assets or instruments available to trade, spreads and commissions, and my overall thoughts of the platform from a trader's perspective. Before we get into it, I just want to make it clear that this video is for education purpose only and should not be considered as financial advice. Trading financial markets involves substantial risk, and you should always do your own research before risking your own capital. Now, if you'd like to check NordFX for yourself, I will leave the official link in the description below. That will take you straight to the official website of NordFX. Probably that's happening after you have finished this video. So right now, let's get into the video. So right now, I am on the official website of NordFX. So you can actually see that, the best thing is that they were also awarded as the best, fastest payout during the Forex Expo in Dubai in 2025. And they have something amazing, which is they've actually reduced by half their commissions on gold. If you are into trading gold, you should know that you're apparently paying half the amount of commissions you usually pay on per one load. And there's also like zero spread on gold, as it is shown right here. And apart from that, it's also one of the trusted brokerage company recognized globally. So these the instruments that have been traded, they have currencies, they have commodities, they have shares and indices, they have also cryptocurrencies. So if you are into commodities, or maybe you're into metals, you're into currencies, you should be able to find the instruments that you actually trade. So you can actually see here, they are also showing the spreads that you are basically paying on every instrument that you're going to choose. So if you're trading BTC USD, the spread is 2, which is quite small, and sometimes it's 1. They keep on fluctuating. If you trade gold, the spread is 6, and if you trade USD JPY, the spread is 0. So it's pretty dope. And advantages of trading with this platform is that they have been 8 years in the industry, 18 years in the industry, and they also offer like 17 languages. They have deep liquidity, and EAs or algorithms are welcomed. They have over 25 payment methods, which means you should find something that you would appreciate to use on their website. And their withdrawals are automatic. They have got negative balance protections. They also have segregation of funds. There's also the presence of personal account managers, weekly market analysis, order execution. Yeah, this is also very important. Order execution is 0.1 second. Yeah, it has to be as fast as that, and experience since 2018. So yeah, so basically those are the advantages. You should trade with them because 18 years is a lot of time to be in the industry. So the right trading account for you, choose the account type that best suits you based on your experience, trading strategy, and the trading condition you need, such as the size of the initial deposit. So you can actually see here, they have the MT5 Pro. This one, the minimum deposit is $50, and spread they start from 10 pips moving forward, and the maximum leverage is 1 to 1000. FX commissions is 0. This one has 0 commissions but come with spreads. I'm pretty sure by now you're able to differentiate the spread and the commission, and it has a free margin interest of 3.8% annually, which is also pretty dope. Yeah, so we have this one, MT50. The minimum deposit is $200, and it has no spread, like literally zero spread. Maximum leverage up to 100, I mean up to 1000, and commissions they're up to 0.0035 per trade. So yeah, and also this one also comes with a free margin interest. So another one is MT4 Pro. The minimum deposit is $10. It comes with a spread of 10 pips, and commission is zero. And here MT4 0. So when it's zero, it means you're technically trading with zero spreads, but you pay a commission. We are looking at instant funding and withdrawals. You're able like to make withdrawals and deposits faster as possible. And apart from that, I would like to open an account, also get into open an account and then get into the dashboard and also show you some of the interesting things. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just hit on open an account. So here I'm gonna be opening an account, and I'll make it quick. Sign in. So here I'm able to view my trading accounts. Here I'm able to view my wallets. I'm able to make a deposit here. I'm able to make a withdrawal in my trading history. I'm able to join the partner program. I'm able to do to see my trading platforms, support, verification, social trading, and loyalty program and security. So right now I'll just like go on trading accounts. So since I don't have a trading account, but my trading account I'm gonna show here. So when I come in demo or trading, I just hit opening a trading account, probably MT5. So here I'm gonna go with the one with the minimum balance, which is 50, and I just like generate automatic passwords and set everything up and click here that I have read and understood all the terms. So what I'm gonna do next is also like choose the currency, MT5 Pro, the account is MT5. My leverage, I'm gonna put the highest and I'm gonna hit open account. So my account should be ready. This is apparently my account, and yeah, they say trading server is NordFX real. This is my investor password, my master password, and everything. So like I'll be able to see my trading here, so I can transfer money from this account to another account, or maybe from another account to this account, since I don't have another account. But in the meantime, I can also open a demo account, just doing this MT5, also open the same account, which is literally the same. And here I'll just generate passwords automatically. Starting balance, I'll put 100, and I'll just put my leverage to 1,000. Now I think so next thing is just also hit the open an account. So here I have my trading account, I have my demo account here, and every time my account is archived, it's gonna show the other side. But right now this is practically how I can open a trading account. And then next thing, you come on wallets. So on wallets is simply we're gonna try to make a deposit. We hit on deposit, and then we have all sorts of depositing methods. We have USDT, we have USDT, Tether, and then we also have BEP20, CRT20, ERT20, BEP20, we have Binance Pay, we have all sorts of stuff, and the minimum depositing from all these is like $5, $5, $5, $5, and all that. So yeah, you should be able, like for me, if I see Binance Pay, I'm gonna like go for Binance Pay. And Binance Pay, I need to verify my trading account first, but for this one I can actually proceed without verifying my trading account. So I can go on the amount, just put 500 and then USD, and then I hit here it's USDT TLC20, or maybe whatever, yeah, but TLC20, and then hit next, and then the next thing I'm gonna hit deposit. So I'll be able to send money to this account, and yeah, everything is gonna go smooth and pretty dope. And from there I think we also go on withdrawals. Same thing, we can also withdraw money from this account. or withdraw the money from here, and then it should be pretty easy. And our trading history is gonna show there, and then we're gonna have something like partner program. We'll become a partner, but first we need to get verified. And trading platforms, you already know, we have MT5 and MT4, and verification. So you have to go through verification. So right now we can actually see that I'm not verified, but there are levels to verification. There's this verification where I just have to go through my account, filling in the information, and then there's this verification where I have to put my personal identification, and then this one is the geolocation verification. So you should be able to get verified easily on this platform. On social trading, this is just simply where you link your account to other traders who are doing pretty dope, and when they make money, the trades are automatically also pressed on your account, and you just share the profits. Otherwise, that's all about the platform. All right, guys, that's my review of NordFX. Overall, NordFX, I think it's a broker worth a trying out because it actually offers a variety of assets, including Forex, metals, crypto, and many others in one place. The registration process is just straightforward. The platform is easy to navigate, and having MT4 and MT5 available is definitely a plus. At the end of the day, choosing a broker should be a personal choice. What works for me might not necessarily be the best fit for you, which is why I always encourage you guys to do your own research and understand the risk involved before opening a real account or funding your money into it. If you'd like to explore NordFX further, I have left the link in the description below for you to check it. If you have enjoyed this video and found it valuable, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. If you have used NordFX before, drop a comment and tell us how your experience has been, and also just drop an overall comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Otherwise, I appreciate you for watching this video to this end. All the best in your trading, and let's meet in the next video. Keep it G.